Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen, I'm definitely still looking at this as 5 ways up. A definitely looks like a perfect 3 ways down. B, and then it looks like a 1, 2, 3. I still think we're in a wave 3 of wave C. I still think this wave 3 possibly could keep on stretching out. There's no reason to say it couldn't go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels. Eventually, it's going to have to make a wave 4 and a wave 5 just to finish off this trend for the wave C. So basically, all that information tells me that we are probably maybe even a year or more away from the end of this uptrend. Going down to the weekly time frame, I definitely do not see a fib bounce. I don't see a lower high. I don't see a break of structure. The trend is definitely still up on the weekly. Still looks to me like we're in a wave 3. And like I said, yeah, it could go down a little bit on shorter time frames, but that does not tell me that the wave 3 is over until we get a break of structure, lower high, or something like that on these higher time frames. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, it does kind of look to me like it could possibly stretch out into a bigger move to the downside. I totally think that it could go down to one of these lower fib levels. We got a little bit of a valley-based rally right there, so it could go down to the 5061.8 before it actually does end up continuing back up. Like I said, all still part of a wave 3 on the weekly and monthly. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I do have it labeled as a complete 1, 2, 3 pattern in ABC because the trend is up and the trend easily could just keep on going up. But this pattern that it's making right here does not look like a trend. It doesn't look like the continuation of the uptrend. If anything, it looks like a correction to the downtrend. It looks like it's more likely to go down to either the 50 to 61.8 before it really does end up continuing back up. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I was thinking that it might go up and sweep these highs right here, but boy, it's definitely looking pretty bearish. Kind of looks like this break of structure could even be the end of an ABC correction. Nice move up, A, 3 waves down, B. This could already be a wave C right here. And if that's the case, then this is already back into the downtrend, and it's probably already making its way down towards that 50 or the 61.8% to make a proper ABC correction. But one thing we have to remember is that the weekly monthly time frame has been in a 4 year uptrend, which tells me that you may think that it's going to go down, make a big old move to the downside, but because we're in such a big strong uptrend on the higher time frames, it could easily just make another little pullback and just keep on going up. So that doesn't tell me that I can't go short. It just tells me if I do go short, I got to trade very cautiously because we are definitely in a very strong uptrend on the very high time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.